Menteri Rangba ka Jela Konrad ke Sangma ulawan pli ya ka solar power energy lan ka sustainable energy solution ha umsaw nong kharai health and wellness center Ribhoi district. Katai ka solar power energy kadai ka way na ki benta ba ka sarkar ka jupenmang ban kershan syaman laki health and wellness center. Ya ka jingpli ya ka solar power energy lasaki da ka jingdon lang ba Jason S. Maulong MLA ka Umsning constituency Mission Director National Health Mission R. Kumar, ka CEO Selco Foundation ka Ditis Mita Chaube, ka District Medical Health Officer ka Dr. M. Emli, Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District Arpit Upadhyaya, bat kiway kiriurang ba nalor ka jingdon lang kinong sumar nong pang, bat kiway. Lakban kedauhang ne baya katay ka solar power energy, Daka jingya tray lang ka sarkar Jela bat ka company balatip kum ka Selco Foundation, bat ka jingdan ketika solar power energy, kala Pynsuk ya ka Rukom Treikam bat ajing mentoy shibun ya ketika center, bat ya kipaj ba kibuan bansya sumar ha ketika center.
And it is also very appropriate that today we are here in the sub-center and we have been able to provide solar panels and solar powered energy efficient equipments to run different services in this particular sub-center. And I must take this opportunity to congratulate the health department, the NHM, the local MLA, and also thank the Selco Foundation for having installed these kind of solar systems in more than 100 sub-centers throughout the state, and they intend to increase it and cover more than 350 sub-centers in a very, very short time. The most important aspect of these kind of solar powered system is that they help in providing the basic services at the grassroots level, and where most of the sub-centers face a large challenge in terms of stable infrastructure and also stable power supply. These kind of units and these kind of systems allow these services to be provided to the people at the grassroots level. We were just shown that there were solar powered energy efficient vaccine storage systems out here which are highly efficient. We also saw different kind of other equipments that are run on solar, and therefore once again I would like to congratulate the NHM and also congratulate and thank the Selco Foundation, which has been instrumental in doing this. And I wish the sub-center the very best, and I urge the officials and all the staff that will be running this sub-center to please use the equipments and maintain them so that we're able to provide proper service to the people of the state.
One is shipping strategy, one play and operate solar panel hangniha umsaw nakara. Di kanika solar panel la le ada kanika Selco Foundation kapal atay ko pat ka NHM di long hari boy ilale shortly haki sub centers di kanika sub centers o umsaw nakara kanika way kaba ilade le mentang asisnem di lingba kanika jing ai jong kanika Selco Foundation ye kanika solar namar ba kilatip kum hari boy joni di kejutut kanika lain di menta bakat kanika sub center kala shaka health wellness center I happy day kanika reporting kita kepada ke online tiga dan ru sakanika daily consultation di lara ngimdan ka light electricity di shim jike kini kita try hangi akan le di kala Arab subuan namar ba inong haru kila ai kami buon hi ke banwan khang ni di paka di hadu menta nadu pas dang ban pen kha nadu district organize ba September 2020 la don hadu nyu ko argot kila pen kha pun ni di daka jingdon jong di ka solar hangi energy award kala Pynsuk iki kan aku buat beli light ru langsung pan penkha ban ai di umdi tang kata ru kala adon sakui ka tempat kebebu vaksin kan kebaki ILR ni kebebu ki vaksin tadi ru kelaran dah ni ka solar tinggi ki laptop kini ban charge ki mobile ki ban charge ki laptop ki ru la run bit ka ni ka solar kan dengan syukur pat ki no snong bakin ya bakin kam ya wan nang ya wan shu syakmat ban ya ting Henry ai bagi dia wan ban ke dia wan deliver yiki kedua kha yi lung hani na bagi ki nurse ki doktor ni ki pala dep ki training ki la dep ki kuli ki dep nang ta shu ban kam peti shu ban berkha nang bang ka jingyap ki ni ki long ki ba armet ban ki kullu ki padang shuka kan penduna